First, slide front rubber cutting edge into front channel of lower aluminum blade and center. Next, slide rear rubber cutting edge into rear channel of lower aluminum blade and center. Then connect tongue and groove joint of upper and lower aluminum blade and center. Next, align middle hole on quick attach plate with factory mark on back of blade. Then insert 2 square nuts with flat side facing up in top and bottom channels of blade. Slide nuts to quick attach plate and align with holes. Turn hex bolts into nuts in top and bottom sections of blade. Leave bolts loose. Repeat process for opposite quick attach plate. When both quick attach plates are properly aligned, inside edges of outer support of quick attach plates should measure 44 3/4 inch apart. Then use wrench to tighten hex bolts in upper section first, then tighten hex bolts in lower section. Next, use quick attach plates as template to drill 2 holes through back layer of aluminum at each factory marked location. At tongue and groove joint, drill hole through back layer of aluminum at factory mark in V groove on each end of blade. Turn self-threading flange bolts into each drilled hole and tighten. Torque all quick attach plate bolts to 31 foot-pounds. Center front rubber cutting edge with lower aluminum blade. Slide rear rubber cutting edge to one side, then drill hole for front rubber cutting edge at factory mark in groove at end of blade. Drill only through first layer of aluminum and into rubber. Turn self-threading flange bolt in hole and tighten. Repeat on other side. Next, center rear rubber cutting edge with lower aluminum blade. Drill 2 holes for rear rubber cutting edge at factory marks in groove at each end of blade. Drill only through first layer of aluminum and into rubber. Lastly, turn self-threading bolts into holes and tighten. Attach aluminum blade to equipment and insert 2 square nuts with flat side facing up into top channel. Then turn hex jam nut with flange side facing down onto threaded base of blade marker and align with hole on lift handle. Bolt blade marker and handle to blade using square nut in channel. Turn hex bolt through other handle hole into nut in channel. Handle should be flush with blade edge. Then tighten both bolts on lift handle. Repeat for blade marker on opposite side. Next, attach rubber box end and metal end plate of blade with 4 hex bolts. Then tighten all bolts until rubber begins to compress to blade. Insert hex bolt to tighten bottom of rubber to bottom of end plate. Secure with washer and nylock flange hex nut. Finally, tighten all bolts equally. Repeat box end assembly on opposite side.